Let's see how we can simplify algebraic fractions. The first question being 3x plus 6 over 3. This is a junior cert level. So all of the living cert subject is based on whatever you have learned in the junior cert. So it is built on top of the knowledge you have acquired in the junior cert. So it is very important that you need to have a background knowledge of the concepts which you have learned in junior cert. But if not, also please don't worry, you can build that up in the living cert. I have seen many kids who didn't had much of a grasp of the topics in the junior cert. They worked hard and they have gotten good marks in the living cert. So please don't feel bad. Start working today and you should be able to do it. So here if you see 3x plus 6 over 3, you need to understand that this 3 is applicable for both the 3x and 6. So this is ideally written, it can be written like 3x over 3 plus 6 over 3. This is for our understanding, okay? And now for the first one, I can just cancel this off because it is there in the numerator and the denominator. Like if you multiply a number with if you multiply and then divide a number with the same number, then the value remains the same. So this will be x plus 6 over 3 is 2. So this is the answer, okay? Now going on to another level, x square plus 2x by x. So as I said, I can write it as x square over x plus 2x over x. In this case also the simplification will work, which is x square over x is nothing but x, and 2x over x will be 2. So the answer will be 2. Okay. Now moving on to a little difficult ones. 5x square y minus 10xy square divided by 5xy. Same process applies. So I am just writing 5x square y over 5xy minus 10xy square over 5xy. Now I can simplify this. 15 and 5, this will become 3, and then x and 1x over here will cancel, y will get cancelled over here. And for the second term, 5 and 10 will become 2, x and x will be cancelled, y and 1y over here will get cancelled. So the answer will be 3x minus 2y. So if you are confused on this one, y square over y, how did I cancel? I can write this as y square over y. Y square means y over y over y. Okay. And then I'm cancelling 1y. So the answer remains as a single y here. Okay. Or as per the rules of indices, if you have a to the power of p over a to the power of q, I can write it as a to the power of p minus q. This is the rules of the indices. So as per this, you can do the calculation. So in case if you have y to the power of 5 minus y to the power of 3, the answer will be y to the power of 5 minus 3, which is equal to y to the power of 2. This holds good for every fraction. And if you have y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 7, the answer will be y to the power of 3 minus 7. Remember, the numerator should come first. Okay, and that will be y to the power of minus 4. Now, y to the power of minus 4 is the answer. That's correct. But in leaving cert, it is better not to leave the answer in with a negative sign. So what you can do is you can just write it as 1 over y to the power of 4. Now how I can write this is another rule of indices, which is like a to the power of minus p is equal to 1 by a to the power of p. This is another rule of indices. No need to worry about indices. All the rules of indices are there in the formula book. So look at the formula book and try to understand the indices and see which you can apply in different scenarios. Okay. Now moving on to a different set of simplification for algebraic fraction. 12a square bc over 3ac is the same as before, so that will be 4, and for a what will remain is a, and then b, and the c will go, so it will be 4ab. Okay. Now a little more complicated one. So 8x square plus 8x minus 6 divided by 4x minus 2. Okay. So if you get a question like this, the first thing what I'm going to do is like I will look at the numbers and I see that there is 8, 8, 6, 4 and 2, which means that 2 is a common factor here. So what I will do is like I will just quickly take 2 out of this equation from the numerator, and I will get 4x square plus 4x minus 3 over 2 times x minus 1. Okay, in this case I can cancel the 2 from the numerator and the denominator. So then what I am getting is 4x square plus 4x minus 3 over x minus 1. Now our task is very simple, because you just need to factorize this 4x square plus 4x minus 3, and then you simplify it with the denominator. Okay, and for factorizing, you might be knowing how to factorize the values. So here when you factorize it, you will get 2x minus 1 and no, sorry, you will get x minus 1 and 2x plus 3 over x minus 1, and then this will get cancelled and you will get 2x plus 3 as the final answer. So if the rule is, if you have a term which can be factorized, you need to factorize that and then simplify the algebraic fraction.